Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my OMG Profitz review, demo, and $3,325 bonus. Now, what it is a brand new product released by Mosh, and Jason Fulton, and essentially you can become an affiliate store owner in under 60 seconds. And all of this with a push of a button. You pick the products, you make all the money, it's all done for you. Pretty amazing. So let me share my screen and let's just jump into this OMG Profitz review. Now, even before we're gonna start, I just wanted to compare some prices as always, and I went to Fiverr and I checked how much you actually have to pay for a setup like this. Okay, so as you can see, I found this gig. It says I will create pro Shopify store or Shopify website from scratch. It will cost you 142 euro, which is like 150 bucks. For the basic version, we have the standard 280, we have the premium 375, which is like $400, okay? So that's only just for the creation of the store itself. I found another one. I will create Shopify drop shipping store or Shopify website. Again, 185, which is like 200 bucks, 300 bucks or 800 bucks. Pretty crazy, right? And finally, the last one, I will create a high converting Shopify drop shipping store or website, 209 or 400 or 680, which is 700 bucks. So just keep all of that in mind while we are going through the sales page. And actually all of these gigs are setting up a Shopify store, which means that you actually have to pay for Shopify itself monthly. And obviously when it comes to Shopify, the basic version is $29 per month, and then you can pay $79 or $299 depending on how big your store is. But again, with that being said, let's check out OMG Profitz sales page, because this is something super similar. Essentially, you're creating your own affiliate store. It can be for e-com products or any other products, and it will cost you a small fraction of what I just showed you. So as you can see, it says start generating passive e-com profits tonight, fast, easy, and very profitable. OMG Profitz. Brand new marketers are quickly and easily stuffing their pockets full of cold hard cash. Launch a complete e-com affiliate business in 60 seconds and start getting piles of cash into your bank account today with one of the easiest methods to make money right now. So obviously, if you're trying to make money with affiliate marketing or CPE marketing, etc., that's only a small piece of a pie of the much bigger pie that is making money online in general. And what is the most amount of money that people are spending on online? Physical products, right? So there's a way for you to actually sell physical products without having to buy them first, touch them, ship them, etc. Someone else can do this for you, but you are tapping into a much bigger piece of the pie. I would say, the majority of the pie, because I would say most purchases online are physical products. It's not courses like this or software or even CPE marketing or anything of it. Most people buy physical products online and they want them shipped to their house. That's how it works. If you want to make the big bucks, that's how you make it. So again, let me scroll down here. You can make tons of money this way. Now, these guys actually have some proof, and as you can see, they made $717 in just one day, and then they have much more proof. That's made in a week. Again, $1,614 in a week. So tons of proof behind this. Mosh, Jason Fulton, these are the two guys behind this product. And as you can see, they have different income proof right here in the thousands. So $8,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, etc. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time. OMG Profitz, that's the name of this new product. 1 to 3 step easy. Some testimonials, obviously. I'm just scrolling down here. Again, they are showing you what's included. I'm going to show you that in a second inside the members area. These guys have 3 special bonuses mentioned on the sales page. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of this, and my bonuses are worth well over $3,000. I'm going to show you the bonuses in a second. And as you can see, 2 different prices. So one site license, $22, pro size license, $22 as well. That's during the launch only. Okay, so keep that in mind, $22, and just think about the Fiverr gigs I showed you. You would have to spend hundreds just for the setup, and then monthly for Shopify. Now, let me show you what's inside. First of all, let me show you a store with no products. Okay, so this is how it looks like, this is what you're getting, and obviously then you're gonna start adding products, and this is how it will look when you already have some products. Okay, so you can essentially sell any product from AliExpress. You are buying on AliExpress because this is the cheapest place on earth, and so obviously you want to scale up your profits as big as you possibly can. Now shipping is done for you because they are shipping directly to the person that buys. You're just the affiliate. You don't have to worry about, you know, shipping, handling, storing the product, even returns, because they're going to be sending returns with, you know, if they have any issues, back to the original destination. So you can sell anything you want. Obviously, you know, all of these trendy, new, cool things like for smartphones and etc. This is what people buy online. Okay, and this is something actually that can make you a lot of money because, you know, these simple cases and, you know, these cables, etc. So actually video training on what to sell and how to sell it is included, and this is how it looks like. So you can see we got OMG Profitz training and tutorials, we have the software training, and then obviously we have the case study. The case study shows you exactly what kind of products to sell, where to find them, which products will make you the most amount of money, and how to set it all up. Super easy. Again, you can create your own affiliate store in under 60 seconds because it's essentially is already done for you. You just have to add the products, you just have to add your link, and you're done. You can start promoting, and these guys inside the case study will actually show you how to get traffic for it as well. And while I'm shooting this, you know, there are only a couple of videos right here, but these guys will keep on adding training videos for you to really make bank with this. Okay, so guys, right now let's go through the pricing, and as you can see, so as you saw, the main product will be $22, and this will include multiple licenses for multiple sites, which means that you can actually set up these for other people and charge other people hundreds of dollars on Fiverr, just like these gigs I showed you. No, these are setting up Shopify websites, but you can set up a standalone dropshipping website for someone else, and as you can see, charge as much as $700-800, and you are getting unlimited sites for just $20. Pretty cool, right? So if you don't want to actually have the store yourself, if you just want to set up these for other people, you can. So that will be included in the main version. As you can see, OTO number 1 will be Unlimited Profits version. So the standard edition comes with 10 site license, and you're gonna get unlimited sites with the Unlimited Profits edition. Okay, so again, it can be a 1 site license or 10 site license, or you can get the unlimited version. That's especially cool if you want to do this for other people. Only $97, and again, you're gonna make your money back, actually triple your money with your first order. Then we have OMG Profitz OTO number 2 done for you money machines, $297, and this is 20 completely done for you pre-built store. So obviously you can add all of these products yourself, do it yourself, or you can get 20, a total of 20 done for you. That's why it's a little bit more expensive. So normally, you know, with these OTOs, you would get like a 1 store. You are getting 20 done for you stores, which means that again, you can just sell them and set them up for other people and charge them, as you saw, up to $800. Now, next up, we got 100x conversion booster for $77. That's OTO number 3, and we have OMG Profitz. Again, conversion boosters will allow, which allows you to add your Facebook pixel to your sites, add premium SEO optimization and top rankings, add countdown timers, very cool, add exit pop-ups, and also add social pop-up proofs. So conversion booster, exactly what's in the name, right? At $77. Next up, we got OMG Profitz automated passive income system, $97. This is something that you can set up completely hands-free, and once you set it up, it keeps on working for you on complete autopilot. And this is another software that creates multiple sites to make money from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and it gets you 100% free traffic. Okay, so you got AliExpress with the main version, that's additional sites, and it's 100% passive. And next up we got OMG Profitz Super Traffic Machine, $67, and essentially what you're getting here is an additional piece of software for generating traffic. All it takes is 60 seconds, so obviously the more traffic you can generate to your stores, the more money you're making, and that's something additional as well that you can think about picking up. And lastly we have OMG Profitz license rights, $167, which allows you to sell OMG Profitz and all the products in the funnel as your own and keep 100% of the profits. You can use these guys' sales pages, they do the support, you don't have to do anything, they do all the work, you take all the money, $167, and that's again OMG Profitz license rights. And right now guys, let me just mention that as always I have a full written review for you. This will include the funnel and this will include all of my bonuses, because as I mentioned I have well over $3,000 worth of bonuses. As you can see, OMG Profitz will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on February the 7th. If you want to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, especially for this promotion, and these are 3 different ways to make money with affiliate marketing, so super useful. Then I'm going to give you a done for you pack with 3 of my done for you courses with full PLR rights. Okay, so these are actually doubles of the day awarded products, but I'm giving you full PLR to it, which means that you can put your name on it, you can edit it, you can sell it for whatever price, you can give it away for free, you can do whatever you want. I'm also going to give you 49 done for you emails, 7 separate affiliate marketing promotions, so 7 emails in each. And I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products, so you're getting done for you emails. And obviously we talked about selling on Fiverr. If you want to know how to do it, I'm going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses. You're going to get Fiverr Income Secrets, you're going to get Fiverr Masterclass, and you're going to get Riser. These are free courses that will teach you exactly how to use OMG Profitz and sell a very profitable Fiverr gig. You're also going to get a Doubles of the Day awarded course, 3-step profit machines, also quantum profits, also piggyback cash system, fusion, newbie traffic formula, and a total of 21 additional WordPress plugins and software. So you're getting a bundle of 12 and additional 9 right here with Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, sales page writing software, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and short code call to action. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,325. Now again guys, to get all of these bonuses for free, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog after the course, after the product is live. Okay, so after 9 AM Eastern on February the 9th, or again, if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. A part of this review video, I'm also going to have a full demo so you can see exactly how to add the products and do everything else. And obviously, as always, I have a full written review for you guys, and this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this OMG Profitz review: insanely fast profits, works in under 24 hours, one-click affiliate store builder, actually in under 60 seconds. You can create fully loaded stores with thousands of profitable products, easily sell and earn commissions. Obviously, free viral traffic and list building module is included with this, so that was a training that I told you they still gonna add. Newbie friendly, fully tested, no website or hosting needed. That's the big one. And the cool thing is that you can actually use this and sell it as a service for other people. Fully cloud-based software and simple to scale, life-changing income. So guys, again, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to get all the bonuses, please pick it up through my link, and just let me show you how to actually claim my bonus after you will pick it up. So all you have to do is just go to your purchase history in Warrior Plus, click on your icon right here in the top right, go to purchase history, and then click on OMG Profitz right here in your products. Now below the green button that says access your product, you should see another button saying bonuses from art. click on it to get all of the bonuses. This is done automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or receipts. You should get all of the bonuses automatically. And again, OMG Profitz will be going live February the 7th at 9 a.m. Eastern. And again, guys, if you want to make some super easy, quick cash, just, you know, set up a Fiverr gig. As you can see, these gigs are going for hundreds of dollars, and you're getting the commercial license with it to actually be able to sell it. So again, check out all these gigs yourself. As you can see, these sells in the hundreds. This lady sold 141, this sold 297, this one sold 133. So you can do this for other people. And again, if you want to do this for yourself, you don't have to pay monthly for Shopify. So I think it's an amazing product. You know, you can make money with this in so many different ways. OMG Profitz. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Please like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. This was my OMG Profitz review. I'm signing out, and I will see you in the next review video. Ciao.